What a plague means my niece to take the death of her brother thus? Sure care's an enemy to life.
Oh, by my troth, Sir Toby, you must come in earlier o' nights. Your cousin, my lady, takes great exceptions to your ill hours.
So in the third scene of the play, we shift households and we go into Olivia's household. Everything about this household is different, and we hear it instantly in the language. What a devil means my niece to take the death of her brother so? It is prose, it is prosaic, it is demotic, it is taking the high art, the high romance of Orsino's household and putting it in the basement. And everything that Toby says and sees about this household is locating it in a completely different musical but also emotional place.
He's a very fool and a prodigal.
Why, that you'll say so. He plays the vile de gamboys and speaks 3 or 4 languages, word for word, without book, and has all the good gifts of nature.
Oh, he hath indeed, almost natural. For besides that he's a fool, he's a great quarreller. And but that he had the gift of a coward to allay the gust he hath in quarrelling, 'tis thought amongst the prudent he would quickly have the gift of a grave. Aye!
We get a sense of this household as occupying a real space of disorder, of people who are talking to each other who might not be expected to be talking to each other. So Maria, the servant, addressing in rather critical terms Sir Toby, the uncle, whom she always addresses as Sir, in ways that look problematically about what's going on in the household, challenging, first of all, how the mistress is behaving inside the household, but then also from Maria, challenging Toby's behaviour inside that household. One of the things that she says is that to him is that he has brought in this idiotic knight, again, a man with status, to woo the lady, when she knows, and he knows, that the lady is not for wooing.
Accost, Sir Andrew, accost.
What's that?
My niece's chambermaid.
Good Mistress Accost. I desire better acquaintance.
My name is Mary, sir.
Good Mistress Mary Accost.
You mistake, knight. Accost is front her, board her, woo her, assail her.
By my troth, I would not undertake her in this company. Is that the meaning of accost?
As the play proceeds, we're going to see that one of the theatrical strategies that Shakespeare is introducing in this scene is going to be played out over and over and over again, and that's of the double act. So here we have Maria versus Toby, and there's a kind of sparring going on. That idea, that metaphor of sparring is going to be one, I think, of the central conceits that, again, as action, we're going to see played out, of 2 people standing opposite each other, sparring with each other, arguing debating with each other, trying to reach some kind of conclusion, and the conclusion's constantly unraveling. So we have Maria versus Toby. Then we have Sir Andrew trying to get into the conversation. And then we have another double act between Andrew and Toby that is going to end this scene. In the middle, we have a kind of triangulation of the 2 double acts readjusting themselves around each other. And again, the unraveling of communication, because these 2 double acts don't actually understand each other or talk each other's language. A lot of the play is going to hinge on people coming together in twos and being completely mystified by what the other person is talking about.
Oh, light. Thou lacks a cup of canary. When did I see you so put down?